Hello students, welcome back once again. Read CG Success for All tutorial classes, research, exploration, arrangement, development, career, growth. So here in this video we learn mathematics. In mathematics topic alternate exterior and interior angles theorem. Here in mathematics alternate exterior and interior angles theorem. Here let us consider two parallel lines. So here let us consider two parallel lines. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal so here this is a transversal. Now here exterior and interior angles are formed. Here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Totally we have all 8 angles. So here two parallel lines are present. These two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Here exterior and interior angles are formed. Take a time to capture this entire figure to memorize. Now here mathematics alternate exterior and interior angles theorem. This side is called exterior. Similarly, this side is called exterior. Now here exterior angles, angle 1 and angle 2, both angles known as exterior angles. Similarly, here angle 7, angle 8, both angles known as exterior angles. So here angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. All these angles are called exterior angles. Now here interior angles, inside or between these two parallel lines, angles 3, 4, 5, 6. These all angles are called interior angles. Now here this portion known as interior side. Similarly, this portion inside is known as interior. So here angle 3 and angle 5 known as interior angles. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 6, these two angles known as interior angles. Overall, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, overall all these angles known as interior angles. Now here angle 1 and angle 2, these angles are exterior angles. Now here angles 3 and 4 are interior angles. Overall, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Sum of all these angles should be equal to 360 degree. So here angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. So here sum of all these angles should be equal to 360 degree. Now Similarly, here angle 5 and angle 6, these two angles known as interior angles. Here angle 7, angle 8, these two angles known as exterior angles. Now here sum of angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8 should be equal to 360 degree. So here angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 should be equal to 360 degree. Now here alternate exterior angles. Here angle 1 and angle 2. These two angles known as exterior angles. Similarly, angle 7 and angle 8. These two angles known as exterior angles. But we need alternate exterior angles. So here this picture is only shown here to remember alternate exterior angles. This picture is shown for remembering purpose. See here 1 and 8. Angle 1 and angle 8. These angles are alternate exterior angles. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 7. These two angles known as alternate exterior angles. So here angle 1 and angle 8. These two angles are known as alternate exterior angles. Now comes angle 2 and angle 7. These two angles are known as alternate exterior angles. See here angle 1 and angle 8. These two angles known as alternate exterior angles. Similarly, angle 2, angle 7, these two angles known as alternate exterior angles. Now come here, alternate interior angles. We know that angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. These all angles known as interior angles. But we need alternate interior angles. So again a picture is shown reference to remember. Purpose of this picture shown to remember easily. So here angle 3, angle 6, these two angles known as alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 4, angle 5, these two angles known as alternate interior angles. Now here angle 3 and angle 6, these two angles are known as alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 5, these angles known as alternate interior angles. Now here corresponding angles. Again, take a time to remember this picture. See here corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles to each other. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 6, these two angles are corresponding angles to each other. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 7, these two angles are corresponding to each other. Again, similarly, angle 4 and angle 8, these two angles are corresponding to each other. See here, angle 1 and angle 5 both are corresponding angles to each other. So here angle 1, angle 5 are corresponding angles to each other. Now here corresponding angles, that is angle 2 and angle 6, both are corresponding angles to each other. So here angle 2 and angle 6 both are corresponding angles to each other. Now here angle 3 and angle 7 both are corresponding angles to each other. So here angle 3 and angle 7 both are corresponding angles to each other. Now here angle 4 and angle 8 corresponding angles to each other. So here corresponding angles 4 and 8, angle 4 and angle 8 both are corresponding angles to each other. Now here alternate exterior angles congruent. So here 1 and 2, these two angles are exterior angles. Similarly angle 7 and angle 8, these two angles are exterior angles. So here 1 and 8, these two angles are alternate exterior angles. So here angle 1 is congruent to angle 8. So angle 1 and angle 8, these two angles are congruent to each other. Similarly, external angle, alternate external or exterior angle 2 and alternate exterior angle 7. These two angles are congruent to each other. I repeat, alternate exterior angles, angle 2 and angle 7. These two angles are congruent to each other. I hope students you have understood very well. Thank you.